Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a filter in Power BI. So I have this page opened up with two different tables. All you need to do to filter this is come here and click on filters, okay? Click on this arrow to expand this, and then we can either go ahead and filter by specific tables or each visualization or chart, or you can do it for the whole page. First, I'll show you how to do it for the whole page. So to filter this whole page, you can come here and add data fields. So I'll expand data as well. And I'll come here and drag into this region. Okay, drag region here. And now I can filter, for example, by, let's say, the Caribbean. Okay, so I'll only see customers for the Caribbean. Okay, and I'll see the sum of sales for Caribbean. I can deselect this. And let's get rid of this as well. We'll remove this filter. And then let's say I want to just go ahead and filter this specific table. Okay, I click on this. There we go. Now we have this table only, this visual. So let's say I want to see only Central Africa, Central America, as you can see. There we go. Let's filter it by Canada as well. There we go. Now I can remove all of this by clicking on this eraser button. It's all gone. I can come here and also filter by sum of sales. So let's say I wanted to show items when the value is less than 100,000. Okay, so these are the markets. Okay, click here and apply filter. These are the markets where our sum of sales was less than 100,000. And there you go. It's really that easy and simple.